Have you ever inadvertently kicked off the head of a sprinkler system? Today I'm going to show you how to fix it. I was just crossing my yard and one of my sprinkler heads hadn't retracted, and I caught it with my foot, busted it, kicked it off. All you need is the Rainbird sprinkler head extraction tool and the Rainbird 12-foot dual spray half circle nozzle. I'm going to take the extraction tool, place it into the sprinkler head, squeeze the grips, pull up, pulls out your nozzle, put the filter in, screw the head on. Have it, see the spray range right there, job done. And there you go, it really doesn't get much easier than that. Till next time.